Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May Mintah. If you don't know, now you know. Before you continue watching, please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. So it is the 1st of February, which means we're in the month of love. You know what I'm saying? So I'm sharing some Valentine's looks with you guys. And this is the first one. I might be sharing 4 to 5 looks before Valentine's Day. If you don't have a boo, don't worry, honey. Take yourself out or make yourself some dinner and look fine. That's it. That's all. So yeah, this is the first look. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video voiceover style. So first off, I am using my Pore Blur primer from Makeup Revolution. Yes, it's so corny, but I'm making heart shapes because why not? We're in the mood of love, so we should do that. Blending in my skin, of course. So today I'm using another foundation, which is a Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 364, I believe. I'm just smudging it everywhere on my skin. You know what? I've already stained my dress and I just started doing my makeup. Like, I'm so messy when it comes to like makeup. So I'm blending it out with a brush from Primark. It does the job. However, I feel like I need to blend my foundation afterwards with a beauty blender to make sure there are no like streaks of like foundation brush. I'm trying to avoid that. So this is what you see right now. So this is the first. I am cream contouring today. I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C18. I've always used this because it's like not too dark. It's a bit warm. I don't like very muddy like creamy concealers. It just throws me off completely. Then I use the Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C13. This is just what I do all the time. So I'm just gonna let you watch this situation happen because it's the same thing that I do over and over again in every video. So I'm using this color to set my contour of today. Basically, this color isn't that much darker than my skin tone. It's more about warming up my face. I didn't want to go for the strong contour today. However, to warm up my face a bit more, I am going to use the Juvias Place palette again. There's this brown color in there that I use a lot, as you may see. And I just use that to bronze up my face and as well my nose. So going back into the Zulu palette from Juvias Place, I am using that pink shade as a transition color. It's just a beautiful color for a transition. The pink is really, really pigmented and like it's a real pinkish color. Like sometimes you have like mauve pink, but I don't really like that because I feel like it's really dull. Then I go in with like a purplish pink color, using the Makeup Revolution / Tammi palette. It's a beautiful palette. It's like it goes from like day to night, so I advise you to all purchase that palette if you're looking for something affordable. I will list everything down below. So I'm just using that in my crease, creating, you know, that dark, like light to dark effect, as you can see. And afterwards I am actually going to cut my crease. Guys, cutting the crease is just a learning process, even for me. I've said it in my former video, this actually took me like a good 6-7 minutes to do, like with errors, and then I had to go back with concealer. It was just a hassle. However, I made it through. I advise you to just practice, and one day we'll all get it right, and then I'll give you something. So here I'm taking that pinkish glitter shade as well. I'm putting that on my lid. However, I was a bit disappointed in the color because in the pan it looks really, really pink. But then when I put it on my lid, it looked like a whitish glitter, but just with like a pink undertone. So then I'm taking that purple color again and creating like a outer V so that everything is well blended in together and transitioned. And then I'll also use my finger because I feel like with my finger I could just blend in more, and I didn't have a really tiny brush, detailed brush to really do the job for me. So what I do here is just sharpen the edges with concealer because it just looks more neat and clean. It's just the best way to do it. Some people like put like eye patches on the sides before doing their makeup, but I feel like that's just, you know, not my thing. So then I use that same color that I use in my crease under my eyes. So this is a trick that I saw on Instagram. So basically here I take my lash glue and I just put it on top of my lashes and then wait until it gets tacky. I still do the other technique, but I feel like if you're struggling with putting on lashes, this is just the best method you can go for. It's really easy. So then you just need to put your lashes on top of it. Make sure that the glue is tacky though, because otherwise you'll still be shifting and just, you know, stressing yourself for no reason. Afterwards, I just take my Benefit Roller Mascara. I don't know if it's the right name, but yet again, I'll put it down below. So now over to the lips, basically the last step. I'm just using a brown lip liner that I got from like what people might call the dollar store. It was just £1. It was like in an African shop. They do the job because they're always so thick of consistency. I feel like real expensive lip liners lack that a bit. So then I take this lip gloss from Patronne Cosmetics. These were on sale for 99p, so I got them as soon as possible. Then I go over with my makeup setting spray. You know, guys, usually I drain myself or drench myself in setting spray, but I'm not really going out, so I didn't like go overboard. Then I'm taking this Makeup Revolution highlighter. It was completely broken, but it's one of the best highlighters out there. And I know I said a while ago that I wasn't gonna do highlighters, or I've not been in the mood for highlighters, but for this kind of look, you just want to be glowy, you know? Like imagine yourself sitting over a guy, you know, you're having dinner, you just want to look like you're glowing. Sorry for the background noise, you guys. My man is back home and making noise. So this is done. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Look at me feeling myself. Girl, I'm so sad that I had to remove all that makeup afterwards.